Hello guys, this is Muntazir, a commerce graduate from ICMA Pakistan. I welcome all of you for connecting with me on WhatsApp group, Facebook and YouTube channel. We are going to prepare for CSS examination attempt 2022. For that, I wish all the best to you. Let's get started. Today we will speak about how to read newspaper. Most of the guys are confused how much time to be given to the newspapers and news overall so that we can prepare our CSS journey effectively and efficiently. So I have collected some clues and information from the seniors and the CSS toppers who have given their advices and career counseling in this regard. So please let's get started. So how to read newspaper? Most of the guys will spend a lot of time. They will be spending like 2 3 or 4 hours a day because it is a very vast area. If you start once, there is a lot of the depth and lot of newspapers, so we are not supposed to read all of the newspapers we can see, and we can see available at our desk, but we will have to be smart and we will have to choose in order to get maximum benefit in minimum time. So the toppers who have passed CSS examinations in the past, they they tell us to spend around 30 to 50 minutes every day for the preparation. We are not supposed to read each and every page of the newspaper. Listen guys, we are just supposed to read very selective pages from the newspaper. So I've made this slide on PowerPoint for you people. In the first point you can see time should be between 30 to 50 minutes, and what we are supposed to read from the newspaper, we are supposed to read editorial and the opinion page, front page and back page, and that's all. Let's see how to read editorial and opinion page. Guys, you can access this website Dawn ePaper at your laptop or computer. You can see here the list. This is the front page. National, national. These are all national news. Just go on editorial. You can see this is editorial and opinion page. See, this is opinion. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to read all this editorial page, all the contents, and maximum time we are supposed to spend is the page of the editorial page. After you are done with your editorial page, just go on the opinion page. So here is the opinion on the issues of the importance. The issues of the importance, we are given here the opinion of the newspaper. What do the Dawn management think about the affairs, current affairs and news that are being for in the news since much time. So on the different topics, after studying their opinions, what you are supposed to do, just go to front page, and on the front page just read big news. You should spend around 5 minutes to read this page. After reading this page, just go for reading the back page of the newspaper and just click on the back page. Now here is the back page of the Dawn. You can see here these are the different news. Just go for the news that are important you consider. So this is all. You are not supposed to read each and everything of the newspaper inside. You are not supposed to read how many FIRs have been registered, who each and every detail of your area. You are not supposed to do this. So this is enough for your Dawn paper tricks, how to read Dawn paper. Now why should we read newspaper? Benefits and considerations. First of all, first benefit is learn new words. When you read newspaper, you learn new words. The new vocabulary you come across will increase your vocabulary power. Secondly, improve English fluency, understanding by learning, thinking in English. Listen guys, newspaper reading habit will improve your fluency. Your understanding will improve. How? When you continue reading newspaper, your thinking capacity in English will increase. If you think in English, so you can speak in English. So for the fluency, you will have to get in the environment of English. Third benefit will be reduce fear of English. Many of us might be afraid of speaking English, so it will boost their confidence. And the other benefit, it create ability in replying interview questions. Guys, when you go for your interview after passing your written exam of CSS, the panel will ask you questions. So if you read this opinion page and editorial page, you will have a good opinion and knowledge skills and opinion base. You can answer properly and you will have a clear mind and clear opinion about every topic. Other than that, this will also cover current affairs, Pakistan affairs, etc. Guys, you know there is overlapping. One subject will help you in preparing other subject. So if you read Dawn newspaper, it will cover what? It will